They say women are safe during the day. Are they?
Rapes happen in India every day, but more than 1,000 eve-teasing and catcallings on the same day.
गुड मॉर्निंग बाय.
गुड मॉर्निंग काका.
चलले कामाक?
हय.
After looking at your Kaka's smile, I feel secure. But everyone has cruel intentions.
Our safety is the second question. But do we women feel comfortable when we step out of our houses, even on broad daylight?
विचार फेसबुक ॲप विचार. अरे म्हाका कितें खबर रे? फेसबुका पळय रे. हांव विचार रे.
फाटी चल. ए तुवें फाट दिली तेका वचपा. फाटी चल. टिकेट. मोटी नाही मोटी टिकेट.
यो बस.
Tiket.
Discard. Down.
Good morning, Sushma.
Isha, good job on the previous project. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Sir has called you in the cabin.
बस नहीं है, छोड़ दूं क्या?
ओ मैडम, छोड़ दो क्या? ओ मैडम, सारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
क्या मस्त माल है भाई।
सुबोध काका
बाय तू तकलायस ता हांगा आनी कोण आसतलो रातचो तू चल गुड नाईट बाय
बस नहीं है, छोड़ दूं क्या?
ए बच्चे, जा घर जा वरना 1 लाफा दूंगा।
ओ मैडम, छोड़ दूं क्या? ओ मैडम, सारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
क्या मस्त माल है भाई। कितें कॉलेजीचे भुरगे मरे तुम्ही चलात दिसपा येना ना परते
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Feeling secure is important when you step out of your house.
Yeah, boss.
A woman needs to feel secure. Maybe rapes can be prohibited if we stop people from teasing and catcalling. Not everyone is good. Your boss will have bad intentions, but that stranger won't. Your well-clothed formal employees have already made you naked in their minds, but that worker hasn't.
Solid istam. Poi marte ka? Poi. Solid istam mare. Poi. Solid istam ni. Sir, now kita istale. Solid istam.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
that girls can step out without any fear. A hope that a woman won't need a guy to protect them. A hope to reach home late at night without being afraid. A hope of freedom.